Welcome to my channel Ganalogs. Here we go. Today we are going to install how to install SSMS. So before video previews, before video we have installed SQL Server instance. Now we are going to see how to install SSMS in our Windows. Okay, let's go through the video. Just go through this Windows and okay, just search for SQL Server 2019. Where is this folder? Here is the our folder like MS Microsoft SQL Server 2022. Before we have installed and configured the SSMS server instance. Okay, now we are going to see how to install SSMS in our environmental. So actually before okay, there is an SQL Server 2022 installation center is there. So just click on that. It will be shown as you can click on S, and now the pop-up window will be appears like this. Okay, now here we can see all the type of categories which one you want to install here. So here I'm going to install. So here see new SQL Server standard alone. We already installed one of the instance in our environment. Okay, now we are going to install SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, just go through with. Okay, click on it. Will goes to the browser and you can see here we have a link here. See, I will give the this link in the description. Just go through it if you required. See, download SSMS. Download SQL Server Management Studio version is 2.0. Okay, this is also a build number and when it is released April 9, 2024, it was released. Okay, and it was the latest version. See, just click on it. It is 485 MB and it will take just below 5 minutes. Okay, it will be completed in the below 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we can go through with that SQL Server installation center. Okay, see here installation center we can see SQL Server installation standalone and reporting services and install data tools and so many things will be there, security documents, releases, and you can go through with the maintenance also. In this maintenance edition upgradation, if it is working in a low and I mean low version, old version means you can go through with the updated version or the edition version. We can upgrade our edition developer like that, and we can repair this SQL server as well as like if you want to click on the repair and the pop-up will come and we can go through on the next videos. Okay, so we can see and we can repair also if it is not working properly means we can go through with that, and here is the tools, resources and advances and the options. So many things will be there and we can go through with one by one in the next videos. Okay, meanwhile we can go through with the step by step, but don't be confused, and we can go through installation. After that how to connect it to the server and how to create the user IDs and how to give the permissions to that user ID and how the user is accessing to that particular table and go on. And we can go through the service objects and securities and one by step we can go through it. Okay, just let's see how much it was completed, and yes, it is going to be 385. It is going to be complete. Please do subscribe, like. Meanwhile, okay, and we can see the so many things in the further videos like if the SQL inst services is stop state and how to start the services, and if while starting the services if any issue is facing, what is the issue, how to check the logs, we can go through it one by one, and yeah, that will be fine because at a time we can discuss everything means it will be confused to us. Everything will be confused and everything will be collapsed, not it there clearly. So it is going to be download. Yes, it is done and now it is loading. Just give a minute, it will be complete. Yes, we can refresh it. Yes, yeah, it was downloaded, and as usual, I just open in the folder, and you can click on the open file also, it will be directly open. See, the SSMS is installed, and we can see if you place the cursor on the file, it will shows file description and what is the file and company and the file version and the when it was created. So everything will be size and everything will be appears. And if you want to go through it, and you can go through properties as well as if you can see how much MB it is, where it is. See everything. If you required application size, version details, MB, and when it was installed. So like that. Okay, just run as from here we can run as administrations, or otherwise you can double click on it. So it will install, it will open the pop-ups. Okay, yes, I have clicked on double click on it. Now it is going to be coming. Yes, it was see same as before, and here is the location where it will be the file was saved. Okay, and if you want to change the location, you can click on the change, and you can select which folder or the which drive you want to save this file. You can save it. As usually, all the software files and all, it will be safe and secure in the C folder. So I just leave it as a default, and I'm just clicking on the installation button. Okay, see, by clicking the installation button, I acknowledge that I accept the privacy and the other licenses terms and conditions, so it is automatically. So I'm just clicking on it and click on S. Don't click on no, it will cancel it. Okay, just click on S and see. Okay, let me minimize all those things. Okay, here is the window. So now it is installing, it is loading packages and the place where it is showing, and it will load all the packages, all the resources in the backend, and it will take some time. Okay, just give you a few minutes of break, and I will be. Yeah, actually, yes, it is loading still. It is. See, packages process Microsoft OLDB, DB drives from SQL servers, and it will be gathering all the information which is required to run this management studio. So it is overall progress, and it will take some time. Just give the time to that, and just leave it as an formally. Just I'm pausing the video because it will be a long length, means it will be bit lag. It will like boring, right? So just I'm pausing the videos and I'm just playing it. Just go through with all the steps, and while installing the video, just stay it on. Don't close anything. It will be installed. It will be gather all the steps, all the sources, resources, what it is required for all those things. Okay, let me, it is still in progress. So now it is completed like SSMS port install task, and overall progress it is showing like completed, but still it is in loading. So if it is take some time, but if it is taking some time, that you think like it was an stuck mode. So don't think like that. It will be installed. It will take some time. Just stay on the screen, and it leave up to installation complete. Just don't go through this cancellation and all. Yes, as I said, see, after all the progress completed, it's take some time. I think it's take 5 to 10 minutes. It will below the 5 minutes it will be complete. Just stay on the screen. Okay, all the setup is completed. See, all specified components has been installed successfully. Now our SSMS is installed successfully. Just close here. Now we can go and search here SQL. Okay, it's not coming. We can go through SSMS. See, here is the SSMS I have installed now. Just go through open, or otherwise we can go here and we can see. SSMS Microsoft Management Tool. We can click on here also. It will be open. Repair. Why so repair? Okay. Click on S. Let it be. Let me show how it will be. Loading packages. Please wait. Okay. Maybe it is repairing the SSMS. SSMS also having some repairs, like as a bike, cars, people's. Loading packages. Please wait. Okay. Let me see how much time it will take. Still it is loading some of the few packages not yet completed. Okay, let me pause the video, otherwise you will get it bored. Same as now all the packages installed, the repair was completed, I think so. You just fill it with new uh, new engine oil, new brake wise and everything, like ports, packages, initialization, reports and all. Like not reports, back end the sources and all. See, restart required in order to complete the setup. See, all specified components has been repaired. I already said now the what are the components and the specifications and all are repaired. So now computer need to restart. And now I am not going to restart. If I restart means this video will not save. Okay. And this was completed. Once I restarted, I will reopen the SSMS and it will be open. And I will do it in the next video. It is going to be lag. So please do like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you so much for watching my video.